Tom, what's your take on what Netflix said? Not the end of the world, but maybe not as great as it could have been?
I think the market is substantially overreacting here. It's never a good idea to trade any of these media stocks on 1 quarter of sub growth. I warned against that when Disney way over delivered and said it wasn't a true reflection of the state of its business. I don't think this projection for 1 quarter is an accurate assessment of the state of Netflix's business. Remember, it was only a few quarters ago that they delivered 1.4 million subs, and so they're projecting 2.5 here. The bear read is the first quarter has typically delivered 30% of the annual subs. So if you project that out, they'd only be doing 8 to 9 million subs for the year, well below the 20 to 25 million that analysts expect. On the other hand, if you take the 8.3 they just delivered to the 2.5 they projected, that's over 10 million for half a year, and they are on track to deliver the 20 million or so. So I don't put too much against this 1 quarter. Does it mean the end of Netflix growth? No. Does it mean their business model has been blown up? No. Got to remember, these guys are truly in a league of their own on their content budget, on their pricing, on time spent. They're number one across all ages. They're better churn by far than anybody else. They had the biggest show on the planet. Their 2 best films ever. They won more Oscars than anybody, more Emmys than anybody. They got far more international program than anybody, and they just added gaming. And against that backdrop, it's very hard to get bearish on this story.